Hey everyone. Hey mental health counselors. I thought I'd do a fun video of some stuff I bought from PESI recently, just to help grow my practice. So let's see. Let me know if you have any of these and what you think. I bought the Train Your Brain card deck, and let's see, the Train Your Brain card deck gives trauma survivors tangible body-based interventions to retrain their brain and release themselves from the effects of trauma. So it helps target these areas, reduce anxiety and reactivity, develop greater body awareness, boost memory and concentration, and regulate strong emotions, improve self-esteem. Ooh, come on, focus. It's having trouble focusing. There it goes. So, and then I got the body positivity card deck. Sometimes I work with eating disorders. So move from body shame to body positivity. Transform your relationship with your body for greater physical and emotional well-being. This unique card deck offers 53 healing strategies to cultivate acceptance, appreciation, and respect for your body, and to help create a more inclusive world. Empowering practices to develop body positivity include self-compassion, body image, mindfulness, and self-care. I love buying the card decks just because they're so, they're small, and I can just literally sit at my desk and flip through them, or if I ever need to quickly reference something, this is usually one of my go-to ways to look something up. I have the ACT card deck and one of the DBT card decks as well. Big fan of card decks. I actually kind of hope one day to make a deck of cards myself on something, so that'd be cool. So I also got the Somatic Psychotherapy Toolbox. I know a lot of you have this one and totally recommend it. So I'm really looking forward to going through this, and I love to sticky note everything, so and then scan copies of some of these exercises and I upload them to my computer so I have them for the practice. Oh, this looks so cool. Somatic strength posture. Let's see. Breath awareness and techniques. This is going to be so helpful. Let's see. Whether you're new to somatic approaches or a seasoned practitioner, this toolbox will be a game changer in your work. Targeted somatic interventions for trauma, stress, and PTSD. Steps to incorporate the body into your current therapeutic approach. See, I really like this sort of thing because I'm a runner, and I definitely believe in movement is healing. Mindfulness techniques and breath work, and starting guidelines, safety concerns, and keys to success. Yeah, I'm excited about that. I get so excited when I get things. Okay. And then, of course, ACT for anxiety. An acceptance and commitment therapy workbook to get you unstuck from anxiety and enrich your life. I specialize in anxiety. I have the certificate. for that. Let's see what's in this one. Anxiety Trap, Chapter 1. Lots of handouts and worksheets in this. Willingness. About thoughts. Lots of thought worksheets. I like working with thoughts. Benefits of anxiety. Also important. Alright, so cool. Engaging and easy to read workbook. Detailed explanations, case examples, practical worksheets to show you how to work with your anxiety instead of trying to battle against it. Using cutting edge techniques and principles, you learn tools to transform anxiety and create a richer and more fulfilling life. I thought my camera stopped recording for a second. I was like, oh no. All right. And then I also got, anyone have this? The Miscarriage Map Workbook. An honest guide to navigating pregnancy loss, working through the pain, and moving forward. I have a spider in my hair. That's just a little teeny thing. A resource for women, couples, therapists, OBGYNs, midwives, and other helping professionals. How to use this book. Oh yes. More worksheets, how to cope. Self-care versus self-soothing. What have you been told about grief? Ooh. Grieving what I have lost. Goodbye letter. This is going to be so helpful. And this will be nice because I'm currently taking some CEs on grief, so I could probably tie this in to what I'm learning from that as well. Body gratitude meditation. I like that. Shame. Meaning making. Straightforward roadmap to help women move through their trauma and grief and pregnancy loss, allowing them to feel deeply understood, better equipped to handle life stressors, and more empowered to move forward in life. Develop coping skills for pregnancy loss and the intense emotions that accompany miscarriage, uncover their reproductive stories, and process reproductive trauma. Cultivate greater acceptance, compassion, and empathy for themselves. Work through a sense of betrayal and shame that they may feel toward their physical body. Navigate intimacy and the unique challenges in their relationships. And connect with their purpose, goals, and values. Like I said, I got all these things through PESI. Let me know if you have any of these, whether you like them. And like I said, I'll be going through those and sticky noting them up before I use them, and creating copies and things like that, putting them in my computer. So I've got a lot of work ahead of me.